Okay, so today we're going to talk about sharpening carpet blades. We've seemed to be getting a lot of requests for how to sharpen blades, primarily the carpet blades. And so we're going to go through a really quick, easy process for doing that. First thing we're going to do is we're going to flip this over and check the back side out. Okay, so whenever we're grinding these blades to get into this corner, we want to use a hard rock because it'll be substantial enough to get into the corners and not grab a hold of it. Sometimes the soft pad is more desired for the flat blades because you can put a cleaner edge on it. But for doing the carpet blades, we like to use a hard rock to get in these corners. Okay, so this is the blade that is used, and we're looking at this edge here, which this is the edge that's removing the carpet from the floor. It is doing a good portion of the work, but the heaviest portion of the work is right here in this corner where you can see it's shiny. That's where the carpet is being sliced to make that strip. So whenever we are sharpening this, we want to sharpen this bottom edge and make sure that we get that sharp, and then we'll come back and we'll address this corner in the last. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to clamp this to the table, and we're going to grind this beveled edge. It's run on the concrete long enough to make this bevel, and we're going to grind this back flush with this edge all the way across the width of this blade, and we'll bring that same edge up this top, and then we'll turn it over and flip and grind the other side. Okay, so we have addressed that bevel all the way across this blade, all along here. So there's no more bevel on the bottom side of the blades. Okay, so we've, on the back side, using that beveled beveled edge that we had from running it on the concrete, we made a straight grind across here to get rid of that. And now we're going to turn it over on the working side, and we're going to regrind this bevel on the top side so that we can cut the carpet again. We've addressed this beveled edge. This is going to be our new working edge for this blade, but we have not yet addressed these ears to do the carpet cutting. So we're going to address that now.